students, welcome back to your science class. In my previous video, we learned about birds. But today, we shall continue with the same lesson. Now, in the previous video, we learned that birds have different shapes, sizes and color and are everywhere. We also learned about the body parts of birds. Do you remember it? Well, let's revise the body parts of a bird once again. We have the eye, this is the beak, the feathers, the feet and the claws, the tail and the wing. We also learned about feathers, and birds have 3 types of feathers. Can you name the 3 types of feathers? Well, yes, they are the body feathers, the down feathers and the flight feathers. The body feathers cover a bird's body. The down feathers are soft fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. The flight feathers are strong feathers that are present on the wing and tail of a bird. They help the bird to fly. We also learned about the different types of beaks different birds have to eat different kinds of food. Now, since birds do not have teeth, they use their beaks to catch and eat food. Now today, we are going to learn about the feet and claws of the bird. So let's begin. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use their feet to walk, hop or swim and to hold their food. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Perching birds. Perching birds such as pigeons, sparrows and crows have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They use their feet to hold on to tree branches and sit on them. This is called perching, and hence they are called perching birds. Flesh-eating birds. Eagles, vultures and owls are flesh-eating birds. They eat or hunt other animals. They have sharp and curved claws called talons. Scratching birds. Scratching birds such as hens have sharp claws to dig the ground. They scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Climbing birds. Woodpeckers and parrots are climbing birds. They use their toes to climb trees. They have 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back that help them to climb the trees. Wading birds. Wading birds like herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. It helps them to walk in water. Swimming birds. Swimming birds such as ducks and swans have webbed feet. Now, what is the meaning of webbed feet? Now, if you notice, they have toes that are connected by skin. This is called webbed feet. Now, these webbed feet, they help the ducks and the swans to swim easily in water. Parrot is the only bird which can pass the food to its mouth using its toes. How do birds fly? Birds fly using their wings that they have on either sides. In order to fly, the birds need to flap their wings upwards and downwards. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat. Now, if we compare the 2 pictures of the bird's body and that of a boat, it has a similar shape. Now, the boat-shaped body helps the birds to move fast through the air. The tail of a bird plays a very important role. It helps the bird to change direction when they are flying. The bones of a bird are hollow, which means there are empty spaces within the bone. Now, these empty spaces are filled with air. The hollow bones help to keep the bird's body light, which makes it easier for them to take off and land easily. Birds have strong flight muscles connected to their wings. Now, here's a picture of a bird, and you can see the strong flight muscles there in red. Now, these flight muscles help the bird to flap their wings upwards and downwards. Birds flap their wings upwards and downwards while they are flying. Now, the upward movement of the wing is called upstroke. Okay? And the down and forward movement of the wing is called downstroke. So, by flapping their wings upward and downward, they can fly and move forward. Well, birds love to eat a variety of fruits, seeds, insects, etc. Now, let us learn about the different food habits of birds. Food habits of birds. Birds love to eat a variety of insects, fruits, seeds, grains, and other small animals. Well, most of the birds feed on small insects and other small animals. Birds like sparrows and finches love to eat a variety of grains. Unlike other birds that eat grains and seeds, vultures and eagles love eating the flesh of dead animals. Penguin and kingfisher love to eat fish. Hummingbird suck nectar from flowers. Now, depending on the type of food they eat, different birds have different types of beaks that we've already studied in the previous video. I hope you all have understood today's lesson. I will be back again with my next video with the remaining part of the lesson. Thank you.